Okay, folks, it's Tom Gingrass again. I wanted to show you this time a little cleaned up, more cleaned up version of Grace, the bronze symbol of peace, really, and ultimate femininity. And here she is, pretty cleaned up with the wire brush wheel and getting ready to go visit the client. I've just kind of made the base sturdy by putting these arches in at the foot. Just MIG welded them in so that the feet will stay relatively firm and she'll be stable on a table. All right, and then she is going to have, in this opening here in the front, you see how her left hand is going into her chest. It's sort of the Sacred Heart image of Christ that you might see in statuary on a Catholic church, for instance. So I want to put a crystal inside her bosom that represents the heart, and here it is, nicely backlit actually. You notice the black on the copper tubing that I've flared out. I actually flared it out after annealing it a couple of times, really. Flare it once and then anneal it again and flare it again. And I've put these black marks on here to represent the fluting that I'm going to try to do to make it more like a spiral. And then I may use some other what do you call them? Wires. I'll put some wires up and over, possibly, depending on how clean the fluting turns out. And you can see that the edge is pretty sharp actually, and pretty clean. So that's next. And if I can, I'll just glue it in, but otherwise, because E6000 is such an amazing glue, but she'll go inside the heart. Thank you.